Take a moment to check out the 2018 Dodge Challenger. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Dodge Challenger, the monstrously powerful, unapologetically comfortable, driver-focused muscle car that positions you to lead the pack. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor. Experience the edginess of high performance with attitude in the Challenger. Take it out on the road today.